Pop in the lamp for about 30 seconds. With this premiums, I hold on for 4. You just need to keep it for about 30 seconds. Hey, man, how are you? All right, so then now I'm gonna get this one, and I am going to use there several different one. I'm gonna go, that's the base is in yellows. I'm gonna using a purple and green because we already have the base yellow. Okay. So you don't need a whole lot of this. You're seeing it on last few video that I sharing with you how you can easily to achieve this looks, and it's look completely for Mardi Gras because we done so many of different Valentine, and then it's time to go into Mardi Gras. And I am going to just scrumple this a little bit. You can either use your fingers or using your tweezers. And either way, you can do that too together. You don't have to do it all at once. There you go. Just crumble together, and you can just use this and dab it in. If you want 3 of them, you can. More purple. You can see it, right? Like an ombre look. Kind of a flash, like flash color. If you want to do whole nails, and with the clients that can't wear a crystal or anything, you can do a whole nails and top coat it, and it's could be good. Also, hi Nativi, hi Catwells. And if you want to do some crystal, which is I am going to do some dragon scale and then crystal over here, then I'm just need to apply my condensed glue gels. That's good amount. You're gonna get a good amount of it. And then if you are first time using our condensed glue gels, it's gonna be a little bit thick density, which is normal, which is just great for both flat back and 3D. Also great for crystal diamond dust pixie and charm and chains. So I blend it really nicely, close the cap of the condensed glue gels, and wipe off the excess glue gels on my brush to protect my brush, and close the cap. I am going to apply the no wipe top coat, and make sure you float this on the top. Don't drag the condensed glue gels. And now we're gonna do some mix bags. I'm so excited because tomorrow I get to share with you the live video with Vicky, and we're so excited, and with Patty, and we're so excited to share with everyone going to class in New York City. If you miss the class, if you are in town, which is if you are in New York, you can probably stop by and sign up, or you can still sign up for the class. And then because you don't need to make any like traveling from a different state, so if it's still a time for you to sign up, you can able to get more people in. But if you are not able to make it in, then we'll see you in March in Michigan. So I am using a dragon scale, which is really nice. I don't know what the color is called, but it's so gorgeous and so shiny. And I am going to apply some of them first. Have a little stuck on my picker. And now I am gonna using, I think I want to use that one. It's from Collectible mixed bag, Mardi Gras. So hope everyone have a great Friday. Hope you're getting really like a pack and busy for Saturday. I'm gonna do a purple. Let me see if I can find some green. It looks really good. I have purple and green on the top of yellow. Do some SS. Buy some SS3. The SS4. It's a lot in this mixed bag. I can't tell you how many you will get from this. There's so many different elements in here that you can play with. I've been using a lot out of this mixed bag. So sometimes, as I say, I'm overwhelming because there's so many cute elements and different crystal in here. And also you can put the beads on if you want to. Such a great night tonight, sharing with everyone tip and trick. We're so excited to share with you tomorrow as well. Tomorrow I'll get an opportunity to do it with Vicky. And we are definitely gonna share tip and tricks in, actually it's gonna be in New York City. And I think I found one of this bar right there. You know how is we have a lot of questions how you can able to doing all that crystals and how is that look good together. As long as you place them next to each other tight together, like they connect like a link, doesn't matter what style and what design you're doing, you can puzzle a different shape together and it looks good. I think I'm happy with this. Let me pull it off from my camera for a second because they're too far away from me. I'm not adjusting it to make sure my design looks great. And then this is such a really cute design, everyone. And then for the beginner, it's super easy for you to achieve this look. Pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Can I get it, wipe it on the side? And then we'll go back with precision glue. Hey, Kywell, thank you so much. Welcome to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Did I say it right? PA, Pennsylvania. Last year we got an opportunity to be in at the show's premiere Philly, and then this year they're not going to have it. But then yes, let us know. You can DM us regarding to your state and locations, and yes, definitely we probably gonna be there. Thank you, Fancy Fingers. Thank you. Tip and toenail artistry. Thanks so much for tuning in. Great. So then I'm just wait for about 60 seconds and I'm going to, this one is just stick it on there. This is a Mardi Gras bag. I'm just put all of my dragon scale that I've been playing with the Mardi Gras bag. And here's a Valentine bag. I've been using them all together, like in different designs. So gorgeous. I am going to use precision glue. Hi Pochaka, how are you? What's the name or the number of the stud bag you're using? This bag is a Mardi Gras bag. Nuna, this is a Mardi Gras bag. So it's search for Mardi Gras. It's gonna pop up for you. It's a Mardi Gras mixed bag. I'm gonna feel them first. I feel scratchy right here. And then I am going to check on the other side. If I feel scratchy, you feel it in. But if you don't feel scratchy and you feel good and smooth, you don't need to feel it in. Usually when you have a metallics like stud, it's really good to have your precision glue. It's gonna become your best. You're gonna have your brush. I'm gonna using my twin tip brush, tip and trick. You feel some excess like glue gels, precision glue. I'm gonna blend it because I do not want them to look lumpy bumpy after I pop in the lamp. So blend that out. Looks great. I'm gonna pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds and this nail are completely done. Thank you so much everyone for a great night tonight. And here's a look for that. And any question regarding to products and orders, you can always call us at 206-771-5086. Or also you can DM us both Facebook and Instagram. And if you need an immediately assistant, you can email us at info@glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. And two things is going on fun right now. Don't forget to enter to win a giveaway. And it was in one of the posts in our post, so just you probably have to scroll it all the way up to seeing it, I think. And then the post then just make sure you follow all the steps. You can enter both on Facebook and Instagram, but don't forget to follow all the steps so you don't miss the chance to win. And also the Valentine's going on, special going on right now, and a 20% off of most products, and free shipping over $150. And such a great special, and a lot of new products as well. And if you miss some of the products that from us that you want to get and didn't get chance to get, it's a great time to get it. Oh great, good luck, Cat Wells. Great, so I'm gonna show you a final look